Hi guys and welcome to InstaSwap exchange. This is a tutorial on how to buy XMR in some simple steps. Exchanging your crypto has never been easier. Beforehand, let's take a closer look at the Monero website. Monero is a cryptocurrency that came up in 2014. As distinct from the other cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Monero adopted advanced cryptography. This cryptography offers total privacy and fungibility that Bitcoin cannot offer. As the name indicates, Monero means money in Esperanto. Moreover, the goal of this cryptocurrency is to be the money that nobody can acquire any trace of its transaction history. The data are usually accessible in other cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, but in Monero, they are entirely hidden from any third party. The amount of money, the sender and receiver, and any other information related to the transaction remain private. Monero has updated its technology through the years. This developed technology in the cryptocurrency world is considered one of the best ones, especially from the cryptography aspect. Cryptographers and researchers are supporting Monero anonymously under pseudonyms. The native coin of Monero, XMR, is the largest privacy coin by market capitalization and users. It is very convenient to use it without the transparency of the transaction data. For that reason, cryptocurrency cannot be hacked by centralized entities. Now, we will show you how you can exchange your crypto in a few simple steps to XMR. Start by selecting the currency that you want to exchange at the You Send section. Then select XMR as the currency you want to receive at the You Get section. Our system will show you instantly the best available exchange rate. Now, simply enter the amount that you wish to exchange. You will be given an indication of how many coins you will receive. Press Swap Now, and you will be forwarded to the next step. Now, enter the receiving wallet address that you wish to receive your coins, as well as the refund wallet address that you will be sending the funds from. Enter your email, in order to verify your transaction by entering the 4-digit code that you will receive after you press Continue. Make sure that your cryptocurrency wallet addresses are correct. And simply accept the terms and conditions and AML/KYC policy and press Continue. Make sure that you are not a robot to continue. Enter the verification code that you received in your email address. If you haven't received the confirmation code within minutes, make sure to check your junk/spam folder and press Continue. Send your funds to the generated address by copying the wallet or by scanning the QR code and wait for your coins to arrive. While you expect your funds, our system will detect your deposit and wait for the required confirmations. Next, our service will exchange your coins and send you the desired currency to the provided receiving address. And that was it. Your transaction has been successfully completed. For any questions or further support, do not hesitate to contact us at support@instaswap.io. Thanks for using our service. We are always looking forward to see you on instaswap.io.